and welcome to BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்களுடைய ஃபேவரட் விளையாட்டு வினாடி நிகழ்ச்சியில் உங்களை மீண்டும் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறோம். வழக்கம் போல் நிகழ்ச்சியின் துவக்கத்தில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் SMS கொஸ்டின் கொடுத்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு போலாம். இந்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்கான முதல் SMS கேள்வி coming up on your screen now. The words Master Blaster will be inscribed on the dash cars at tomorrow's Formula 1 Grand Prix at Noida. அதாவது புத் இன்டர்நேஷனல் சர்க்கிட்ல நடக்கிற போற Formula 1 Grand Prixல the words Master Blaster சச்சின் டெண்டுல்கரை கௌரவிக்கும் வகையில் மாஸ்டர் பிளாஸ்டர்ங்கிறது எந்த கார்ல போடப்படும்? ரெட் புல், ஃபோர்ஸ் இந்தியா, மெக்லாரன் or Sauber. 1A1B 1C1D space for many look at 956201111. Welcome once again to BSNL Sports Quiz. நிகழ்ச்சியில் பங்கேற்க போறது நீங்க தான். தொலைபேசி மூலமாக, SMS மூலமாக, இமெயில் மூலமாக தொடர்பு கொள்ள வேண்டிய தொலைபேசிகள் ஸ்கிரீன்ல இருக்கு. 17077 17073 25397010. The mobile numbers to call in 94490101101021. If you have not won a prize on the show so far, you can call 64628270 646282270. சென்னைக்கு வெளியில இருந்து ஃபோன் சேருவாங்க. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு 044 டயல் பண்ண வேண்டும். 3G video callers, if you have 3G video calling facility alone, if you don't have it, please don't call the number. But if you do have 3G video calling, please call 94881 94881 and you can talk to us and see yourself as well on the screen, right? Prizes on the show presented courtesy BSNL வழங்கும் 200 மதிப்பு இந்தியன் ரெஃபர் கார்டு பிரைஸ் ஆகணும். டஃப் क्वेश्चनக்கு 4 rupees worth இந்தியன் ரெஃபர் கார்டு பிரைஸ் ஆகணும். நீங்க பிரைஸ் ஜெயிச்சீங்கன்னா 2 வாரத்துல லெட்டர் எழுதி அனுப்பணும். யாருக்கு? The Director Sports Quiz Program, தூர்தர்ஷன் கேந்திரா, நம்பர் 5 சுவாமி சிவானந்தா சாலை, சென்னை 605. This address you have to send a letter, கூட ஒரு photostat copy, xerox copy or photostat copy of your telephone bill or photostat copy of your ration card வச்சு நிச்சயமாக 2 வாரத்தில் வந்து சேரும்படி அனுப்ப வேண்டும். Email contest last week, list of those giving correct answer, put up a http://ddsportsquiz.hpage.com or ddsportsquiz.blogspot.com. இன்னைக்கு கம்ப்யூட்டர் 5 லக்கி வின்னர்ஸ் தேர்ந்தெடுக்க போது. Let's go to the picture board and take the first caller. We have a first 3G caller as the opening batsman today. Okay, who is this? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, who is this? இன்சமாம், எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
சார் லாஸ்ட் வீக்
கேரி ஓவர் 3 கேள்வி இருந்துச்சு. क्वेश्चन நம்பர் 10 சரி, ஓகே ஓகே. क्वेश्चन நம்பர் 10 லாஸ்ட் வீக் இருங்க வரும். லாஸ்ட் வீக் கேரி ஓவர் क्वेश्चन நம்பர் 10. What is the connection between the two people in the photo? ரெண்டு பேர் போட்டோல இருக்காங்க. இவங்களுக்குள்ள என்ன தொடர்பு, என்ன கனெக்ஷன் அப்படிங்கறது நீங்க சொல்லணும். சொல்லுங்க இன்சமாம். இவர் யாரு?
அவங்க ரெண்டு பேருமே இல்ல. ஒருத்தர் வந்து மன்பிரீத் சிங், நம்ம ஜூனியர் டீம். சரி. இன்னொருத்தர் வந்து இல்லி நஜ்வா.
தேடி கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்க. ஓகே, that is the junior India hockey captain Manpreet Singh. Manpreet Singh went to Malaysia to play in the Sultan of Johor Cup and last year, இது வந்து இந்த வருஷம்ல 2012 and he came back with this girlfriend Ili Najwa Sadiq who he is proposing to marry. Okay, good answer. Inzaman, telephone number. Hello, telephone number சொல்லுங்க.
0461 239 221
rupees worth Indian Rupee card. BSNL, congratulations. Thank you Inzaman. மரத்த கால். ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz, உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? ஹலோ. Yeah, who's this? இல்ல, we lost this caller. அடுத்த காலர் லைன்ல வருவாங்க. ஹலோ வணக்கம்.
ஹலோ.
யாருங்க?
Shankar from Bangalore.
Shankar from Bangalore. Which number on the picture board?
11th.
Okay, you don't want to go for the background photo. You can see one full eye there. No, okay, you want chess puzzle. Okay. ஒரு ஐய வச்சு கண்டுபிடிக்கிற மக்கள் viewers இருக்காங்க. பாப்போம். Okay, white to play and mate in 2 moves. This week it is an absolute sitter.
White to play, sir.
White to play and mate in 2 moves. First caller for chess puzzle gets a little bit of extra time, so we'll give you some more time.
Okay.
White விளையாடணும், 2 மூல mate.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just give me 1 minute.
I can give you 10 seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Queen G4
3, 2, 1. No, it's not the right answer. Thanks a lot for participating. யாருங்க?
Hello.
யாரு? வணக்கம், உங்க பேரு? தட்சிணாமூர்த்தி. எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல எங்க இருந்து பேசுறீங்க? கோவில்பட்டி. எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல? குயிக்கா. எந்த நம்பர்மா பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
Spot the ball.
Spot the ball. Okay, question number 13,
Number
spot the
13,
ball.
spot the ball.
வருது கண்ணா. கொஞ்சம் டிவி வால்யூம் கொஞ்சம் கம்மி பண்ணுங்க ப்ளீஸ்.
Number 13, spot the ball.
டிவி வால்யூம் கொஞ்சம் கம்மி பண்ணுங்க. பந்து எங்க உள்ளது? ரொம்ப ஈஸி. Dakshinamurthy.
C1.
Huh?
C1.
C1 is not the right answer. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த கால ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? 3G. Who's this? Hello. உங்க பேர் சொல்லுங்க. உங்க நேம் சொல்லுங்க.
Can you see the picture board, doctor?
Yeah. Who's this? What's your name?
Hello.
உங்க நேம் சொல்லுங்க சார். You're not.
Can you see the picture board?
Yeah, you can see the picture board, but you're not telling me your name.
Hello.
Name சொல்லுங்க.
Yeah. Can I have video too?
Okay, I think
Video two.
you're not able to hear me on the phone.
Video too.
Okay, video 2 வருது. Question is, why is the batsman raising his bat? Okay, the question is, why is the batsman raising his bat? Video 2 வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. Okay, you saw a batsman raise his bat.
That is Ajit Agarkar, and he finally broke the sequence of ducks against Australia, in Australia.
Brilliant answer. That is the right answer. After 7 ducks, that is the first run which Ajit Agarkar scored, and ஒரு first run எடுத்ததுக்கே bat raise பண்ணாரு. உங்க பேர் சொல்லுங்க. Name. Okay, let's watch the give me your name.
Yeah, doctor. 080 Bangalore.
Yeah, your name.
Sandeep Kumar.
Sandeep Kumar from Bangalore. 080 672 30625. Got it. 200 rupees worth of card courtesy BSNL. SMS 1 yaar jayika poranga. Let's find out from Narmada who's the winner for the first SMS.
SMS 1 Force India Cardsல நாளைக்கு மாஸ்டர் பிளாஸ்டர்ன்ற நேம பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ வின்னர் யாருன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, Master Blaster is going to be on the nose of the 2 Force India cars racing at the Indian Formula 1 Grand Prix tomorrow, and that's their tribute to Sachin Tendulkar. Prakash from Pune எடுத்துக்கலாமா? 9423578526. We will take it as Prakash from Pune. Congratulations, you're the winner for the first SMS. The correct answer is Force India, of course. Second SMS, before we go for a commercial break, the player who has been fined 50% of his match fee for ball tampering this week. பந்த டேம்பர் பண்ணது பேண்ட்ல இருக்கிற ஜிப்ல பந்த வச்சு கீறினாரு. Okay, he scratched the ball using the zipper on his trousers, and he has been fined 50% of his match fee for ball tampering. Who is that? Faf du Plessis, Dale Steyn, Vernon Philander, Junaid Khan. 9486202222. We're going for a short commercial break. See you on the other side of the break. Stay with us on BSNL Sports Quiz. Welcome back to BSNL Sports Quiz. We have a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello. யார் பேசுறீங்க?
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
It's Solay Aditya.
Where are you speaking from, Solay Aditya? Hello. Which number on the picture board?
Chennai.
Which number on the picture board? Quickly.
Chess puzzle.
Okay, chess puzzle number 11 coming up for Solay Aditya from Chennai. Which class are you studying? Kana, which class are you studying?
Bishop F6.
Okay.
And then
What is
Queen, Black Queen E7.
Okay.
And then
Come on, go on.
Queen into G.
Queen into G8 Rook. Very good answer. Excellent answer. Solay Aditya, எந்த கிளாஸ் படிக்கிறமா நீ?
7th.
7th standard. Very good. Excellent answer. Okay, the answer is coming up. First move, as you said, G6 is the right answer. Now there are 2 moves. One is Queen can cut the bishop or Queen can go to E7. It makes no difference because next move is Queen into G8 Rook and it is mate. Very good answer, Solay Aditya. 10 phone number. 988
44
44
34
34 157. Good answer. 200 rupees worth of card. Courtesy BSNL for Solay Aditya, 7th standard student getting the chess puzzle this week. அடுத்த கால ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz உங்க பேர் என்னங்க?
Adityan from Harihar.
Adityan from Harihar, ஒரு ஆன்சர் கொடுங்க.
Sir, last week carryover and Comaneci, Puskas.
Question number 5, last week's carryover, Ferenc Puskas, Nadia Comaneci, Wilson Kipketer and Orlando Hernandez. What is the connection?
They were all defectors from their original country.
That is the right answer. They all defected from their original country. Wilson Kipketer, of course, defected to Denmark, others to the US, and Puskas to Spain. Okay, that is the right answer. Very, very good answer, Adityan. Third kandupidichingla without searching.
Combination of both. The answer was right.
Combination of both. Search பண்ணியாச்சு அவ்வளவுதான்.
I knew those guys were defectors, but it didn't strike me till I searched for it.
I like that. That's an original answer. Telephone number, Adityan.
08192.
Okay.
241038.
241038. 200 rupees worth Indian Rupee card, courtesy BSNL. We have a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello. சொல்லுங்க சார், எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போடல? லாஸ்ட் வீக் கேரி ஓவர் அது வந்தாச்சு, ஆன்சர் வந்தாச்சு. புது கேரி ஓபன் பண்ணுங்க. Photo find 2. Okay. Identify the man in the photo and what is his claim to fame. ரொம்ப டிஸ்டிங்விஷ்டா இருக்காரு. இவர் யாரு? யார் இவர்? ப்ரொஃபசர் மாதிரி இருக்காரு பாருங்க. க்ளூ கொடுக்கிறேன். I am giving you a lot of clues. இல்லையா? Okay. Thanks for participating from Trichy, Mr. Ratnakumar. Good to have you on the show. அடுத்த காலர். வணக்கம். BSN Sports quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? ஹலோ.
ஹலோ.
பேர் என்னம்மா?
என் பேர் அரவிந்த்.
அரவிந்த், எங்க இருந்து பேசுற?
நான் வேலூர்ல இருந்து பேசுறேன்.
எங்க இருந்து? போரிவிலியா?
வேலூர்.
என்ன ஊரு?
ஆமா அங்கிள்.
கேக்கல எந்த ஊருன்னு. சரி, டிவி வால்யூம் கம்மி பண்ணுமா ப்ளீஸ், அப்பதான் கேட்கும். டிவி வால்யூம் எந்த நம்பர் வேணும் பிக்சர் போடல சொல்லு.
எனக்கு அந்த ஸ்பாட் தி பால்.
Spot the ball. Okay, question number 13, spot the ball coming up for Arvind. எங்க கண்ணா இருக்கு பால்?
எனக்கு பிக்சர் போட வரல.
தோ வந்துட்டுமா.
D5.
D for Delhi, B for Bombay.
D for Delhi 5.
Delhi 5 is far away from the right answer. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த காலர். ஹலோ, வணக்கம். BSN Sports quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello? Yeah, who's this? Who's Sriram from Villivakkam?
Yeah.
Sriram, which number on the picture board?
Number 2.
Who's that?
It's William Stasek.
Who is he? Sriram? Hello? We've lost the caller. Sriram. Sriram, just send us a mail and I will tell you why. Okay, அடுத்த caller. Hello, வணக்கம். BSN Sports quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? 3G. We have a 3G caller. Who's that? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, உங்க பேர் சார்?
Hello?
சார், ஸ்மைல் பண்றீங்க. உங்க பேரை சொல்லுங்க. What's your name?
Hello?
I can hear you. What's your name?
Yeah, Sundar from Mylapore.
Sundar from Mylapore. Which number on the picture board, sir? Quicker.
Number 1 straight drive.
Okay, what record was set in the recent Dulip Trophy final with respect to the history of the tournament? What record did the recent Dulip Trophy final set in the history of the Dulip Trophy?
Sorry, no idea.
No idea. Thanks for participating. One more call and then we take second SMS. Hello, வணக்கம். BSN Sports quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello?
Shaukat Ali, sir. Shaukat Ali, Nagur.
Nagur Shaukat Ali. Which number on the picture board?
13, sir.
13. Spot the ball. Okay, spot the ball coming up. நல்ல வேகமா அடிக்கிறாரு பால். அப்படினா எங்க போகும் அது பந்து? கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க.
D2.
D2 is that? என்ன?
D2.
D2 is not the right answer. Thanks for participating. SMS 2 yaar jayika poranga. Let's find out now from Narmada who's the winner of the second SMS.
SMS 2 answer Faf Duplessis. அவர் பண்ணார்ல அதுக்கு பேர் தாங்க விளம்பரம், அதுக்கு போய் ஃபைன் போட்டாங்க. யாருன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, 50% of his match fee was fined for ball tampering. Ball tampering வந்து அவர் அந்த ஜிப்பை வச்சிட்டு பந்த கீர்னாரு. ஹரி and Tanjura இல்ல இனிஷியலா இருக்குமோ 97896275992. Hari from Tanjavur. Congratulations, you're the winner. For the second SMS, the correct answer is Faf du Plessis has been fined 50% of his match fee for ball tampering this week. SMS 3 coming up before we go for a commercial break. The player who scored his 100th EPL goal last week, Sendravaram, தனது 100வது EPL கோலை அடித்தவர் யார்? Steven Gerrard, Fernando Torres, Gareth Barry or Yaya Toure. 9486203333. We're going for a very short commercial break. See you on the other side of this break. Stay with us on PSNL Sports Quiz. So we have a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello? யாருங்க?
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Rajesh from Chennai.
Rajiv from Chennai. Which number on the picture board?
Rajesh from Chennai.
Rajesh, which number on the picture board?
Rajesh.
Yeah, I hear you. Which number on the picture board?
Straight drive.
Which one? 20. Okay. What was the ODI record set in the second ODI international ODI match between India and Australia played at Jaipur on 16th of October? Question comes courtesy S. Ravichandran, Navi, Mumbai. அந்த ரெண்டாவது ODI India versus Australia match ஏங்க தோனி செஞ்சுரி அடிச்சா அது எப்படிங்க அது ஹிஸ்டரி ஆஃப் ஓடிஐல எப்படிங்க ரெக்கார்டா இருக்கும்? ஒரு பேட்ஸ்மேன் செஞ்சுரி அடிச்சா எப்படிங்க ரெக்கார்ட் அது? unless it is the highest score in the history of ODI அந்த மாதிரி வந்தாதான் அது. This is an ODI record. It has never happened in the history of ODI cricket before. இல்லை. Okay, thanks for participating. அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ வணக்கம், BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? ஹலோ.
Line got disconnected.
Line got disconnected. Sriram, you go back to the same question. Question number 2. Yeah, who's that?
It's Wilhelm Steisnes,
Who is he?
world champion chess player.
World chess champion mattum illai. The first world champion in the history of chess. William Steinitz is the right answer. Sriram, you have been disconnected again. Don't worry. Send a mail to ddsportschennai@vsnl.com. ddsportschennai@vsnl.com. Email contest ID அதே ID க்கு இந்த மாதிரி that you are disconnected னு போட்டு details போட்டு அனுப்புங்க and we'll make sure you get the prize. Okay, William Steinitz also was the man who introduced positional play into chess. Positional play இன்னைக்கு வந்து it's a essential part of chess and this was the man. He was the first undisputed world chess champion and that was William Steinitz. Okay, அடுத்த caller. Hello வணக்கம், we have a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello. Who is this?
Yeah, Shiva.
Shiva, which number on the picture board?
I think last week carry over the tennis question. The player seated number 3.
Player seated number 3. என்ன கேள்வி? All the carry overs.
I think that was a photo point. I think.
Okay, I think you are asking for question number 8.
There was one carry
the man,
over.
Yeah, for question number 8. The man in the photo is a former national champion and was seeded number 3. Of course, national championship முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. At that time, last week he was seeded number 3 in the national tennis championship. What was he called earlier and what is he now? Yes, Shiva.
Yeah, he was called Nitin Kirtane.
Okay.
NITANKRTANE. And now he is NITTENKIRRTENE. Sorry.
Okay. So, why did he change his name?
Because the numerological reasons.
That's correct, but okay.
I'm going bad year, in 2005.
Yeah, I'm going to give it to you, Shiva, because Nitin Kirtane, former national champion, he actually had a terrible accident in 2005 and then he made a comeback, and as soon as he made a comeback, he tore a hamstring or he tore an Achilles tendon or something. He was again out of action for one more year, and then somebody said, Nitin, you can become Nitin and things will change, and he has indeed changed his name, and he also says that his luck has dramatically turned around. So Nitin Kirtane is now Nitin Kirtane. Okay, good answer, Shiva. Telephone number?
8122.
Okay.
04119.
Did you search for this or did you know this?
No, I know him. I have met Nitin Kirtane a few times.
Okay, but did you know he is no longer Nitin when he is Nitin?
Yeah, I'm aware.
Okay, congratulations. 200 rupees worth Indian Air card courtesy BSNL. By the way, that's no advertisement for numerology or whatever, but this is just something about a former national champion who's done this to his name. Okay, அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ வணக்கம், BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க?
Anand from Delhi.
Anand, which number on the picture board, Anand?
Sir, I will go for 2-in-1.
You will go for 2-in-1. You've got a cricket 2-in-1. Identify the two cricketers in the image.
Let me see,
Beautifully
sir.
blended together by our computer whiz Ravichandran. Yaar and the rendu cricketers. Present day. I'll give you a clue.
Streaming.
Don't. You're watching it on streaming. Okay. Those of you who want to watch it on the web can watch it on ddsportsquiz.com. Okay.
Okay. In the world, sir.
Okay. Another request going out. All of you who are participating on 3G, please have a light which is in front of you so that the light is on your face. Otherwise, we're getting a lot of dark faces on the screen.
Sir, any clue? What is the clue?
Both of them are currently playing cricketers. They are not retired people and they are not Asian cricketers.
Sir, are they from New Zealand?
I don't know. You have to tell me. Take a guess. Come on. Anand, are you there? Anand, hello. Anand from Delhi. I think we've lost you. Anyway, you didn't give me a guess as to who it could be. Okay, Artha caller palam. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz. We have a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello. I can't hear you. Who's this? Hello.
Hello, Vishal.
Vishal, which number on the picture board?
Number 1.
Number 1. What is the answer?
First time வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டாங்க ட்ரோஃபியா.
ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கலாம், முன்னாடி எல்லாம் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஷேர் எல்லாம் முன்னாடி நடந்திருக்கு. துலீப் டிராஃபில நடந்திருக்கு. It's not the right answer. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த காலர். ஹலோ வணக்கம். One more caller will take the SMS. ஹலோ வணக்கம். We've lost this caller. அடுத்த காலர் லைன்ல வருவாங்க. ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Who is this? Hello. சார் லைன்ல இருக்கீங்க, எனக்கு எக்கோ கேக்குது. யா, உங்க நேம் மேடம்?
Yes.
Who is this? Yeah, I can hear you. Your name, madam?
My name is Anushri from Bangalore.
Anushri from Bangalore. Which number on the picture board? Quickly. Go ahead.
Anushri.
You're listening to me on the TV. That's why.
Straight drive 20.
Okay, what is the answer for straight drive 20? Quickly. Okay, go on.
The first 5 batsmen in the Australian team actually scored over 50 runs.
That is the right answer. This is the first time in the history of ODI cricket that the first 5 batsmen have all crossed 50 in the innings. Okay, முதல் முறை ODI cricket history la top 5 batsmen in a team, and in this case they were Aaron Finch, Phil Hughes, Shane Watson, George Bailey and Glenn Maxwell. All of them crossed 50. That is the right answer. Anushri, telephone number Bangalore.
90080
90080
29495.
200 rupees worth Indian card courtesy BSNL SMS 3. Let's find out now from Narmada who's the winner with the third SMS.
SMS 3 answer Steven Gerrard.
Okay, Liverpool's Stevie G is the man who scored his 100th EPL goal last week. Steven Gerrard is the right answer. Who is going to win this? Kumar C from Trichy, 9443295910. Kumar from Trichy, congratulations, you're the winner for the third SMS. The correct answer is Steven Gerrard. SMS 4 coming up on your screen now. Deepika Pallikal recently won the Dash Open to claim her 7th professional squash title. ஏழாவது professional squash title Deepika Pallikalukku என்ன ஓபன்ல? China Open, Macau Open, Canadian Open or French Open? Which tournament did Deepika Pallikal win recently? அடுத்த caller, back to the picture board. Next caller. Hello வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello.
சார்
யாருங்க?
கடம்பூர்ல இருந்து சண்முகம் பேசுறேன் சார்.
சண்முகம் கடம்பூர். எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்டுல?
சார் வரட்டும்.
வந்துருச்சு சொல்லுங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
சீக்கிரம் கொடுங்க. Anagram. Okay, question number 17. Identify the sports person in the anagram. Mama, elbow, plunge. Question courtesy R. Karthik. Mama, elbow, plunge. Very easy actually. Guess பண்றீங்களா?
ஓகே தெரியல சார்.
இல்லை. ஓகே, thanks for participating. அடுத்த காலர். வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க?
ஹலோ சார், என் பேர் லட்சுமணன் சார்.
லட்சுமணன், எங்க இருந்து? டிவி வால்யூம் கம்மி பண்ணுங்க. எங்க இருந்து பேசுறீங்க?
காஞ்சிபுரத்துல சார்.
காஞ்சிபுரம். எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்டுல?
காஞ்சிபுரத்துல தான் சார்.
எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்டுல?
Spot the ball sir.
Okay, last caller for spot the ball because I think this is 7th or 8th caller for spot the ball. I'll give the answer out myself after this. எங்க இருக்கு பந்து?
பந்து வந்து A1, sir.
A1 is not the right answer. The ball is in A3. The ball is in A3. Let's see where the ball is for the spot the ball question. Lots and lots of callers going all over the place. The correct answer is A3. I actually thought this was quite easy and somebody was going to answer it. Never mind. Artha caller, hello, vanakkam. We have a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello?
Hello, Dinesh from Bangarpet.
Dinesh from Bangarpet. Good to have you on the show, Dinesh. Which number on the picture board?
1 second.
Yeah.
Negative image.
Negative image, question number 9. Identify the personality playing golf in the image. Identify the personality playing golf in the image. That's a clue in that question. The clue is don't think of very famous golfers, but you can think of very famous people. Young people will get the answer. Young people will get the answer. இன்னொரு க்ளூ. உங்களுக்கு என்ன வயசாகுது?
No idea.
No idea. Okay, thanks for participating, Dinesh. அடுத்த கால் ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க?
Hello, sir. This is Raghu Vikram, sir.
Raghu Vikram. Which number on the picture board?
17 anagram.
17 anagram. What is the answer?
The commentator Umprelu Mangwa.
Pumalelu Mbangwa of Zimbabwe is the right answer. This was a very, very, very simple one. Pumalelu Mbangwa. Telephone number, Raghu Vikram.
9176
9176
3738
3738
00.
00. 200 rupees worth of courtesy BSNL. அடுத்த கால ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? பேக்ரவுண்ட் போட்டோ ஈஸி ஆயிடுச்சு. ஹலோ Nizar from?
Tridangodu.
Huh?
Nagargoil.
Nagargoil. Okay. Which number on the picture board?
Number 1.
Number 1 என்ன answer?
Shortest ever test match.
என்ன டோர்னமெண்ட் கேக்குறோம் பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க. Shortest ever?
Shortest ever Duleep Trophy final.
That is the right answer. It is the shortest ever Duleep Trophy final because only 54 minutes of play happened in the entire match. இந்த match வந்து ஃபுல்லாவே மழையில வாஷ் அவுட் ஆயிடுச்சு. 54 நிமிஷம் தான் விளையாட்டு மொத்தமே நடந்தது இந்த மேட்ச்ல. ஷார்ட்டஸ்ட் Duleep Trophy final in the history of the tournament. Nizar, telephone number ma?
95
95
00
00
44
44
63
63
69.
69. 200 rupees worth of courtesy BSNL. Nizar from Nagarkoil, you have a 3G caller. Hello, who's this? Hello? Yes, ma'am. Who's this? Illai, Kanna, your name? Pratibha. Where are you speaking from?
Pratibha here.
From where?
Chennai.
Okay, which number on the picture board?
Calling from Chennai.
Okay, which number do you want on the picture board? Zoom out the camera slightly. Okay. Or keep it in
Background picture.
Background picture. Who is that? Who is that?
Stephen Gerrard.
Stephen Gerrard is certainly not the right answer. Thanks for participating, Pratibha. No, we've already had one Stephen Gerrard question on the show today, but that is certainly not Stephen Gerrard. Thanks for participating. One more caller before we take the SMS. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz. Unga per enanga? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Hello. Sadaman.
Yare?
Sadaman, sir. Sir, இது 2-in-1, sir.
Sadanand, go for the 2-in-1. Question number 7. Come on.
Sir, any clues, sir?
They are not Asians. And they are not.
Anderson, Corey Anderson.
And Corey Anderson and?
Sir, another one, yes. Sir, any clues, sir?
No clues.
Watling.
BJ Watling and Corey Anderson is not the right answer. You are broadly on the right track, but both are incorrect. SMS 4, yaar jayika poranga. Let's find out now from Narmada who's the winner of the 4th SMS.
SMS 4 நிறைய ராங் ஆன்சர்ஸ் வரும்னு நினைச்சேன். ஆனா மக்காவுன்னு எல்லாரும் பக்காவா அடிச்சிட்டீங்க. யாருன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, lots of right answers. Macau Open, Deepika Pallikal, the Indian squash ace, won the Macau Open last week. No name illana, you won't get a prize. இது உங்களுக்கு ஏற்கனவே தெரியும். தயவு செய்து நேம் போட்டு அனுப்புங்க. பாரதி மோகன் from Bangalore gets it on the rebound. 9008345760. Bharati Mohan from Bangalore. Congratulations, you're the winner for the 4th SMS. The correct answer is Macau Open. SMS 5 coming up before we go for another commercial break. All of the following have won 4 F1 Drivers Championship titles except Formula 1 ல இந்த 4 பேர்ல 3 பேர் 4 டைட்டில் ஜெயிச்சிருக்காங்க. கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகுது இல்ல 4 பேர் 3 டைட்டில் இல்ல 3 பேர் 4 டைட்டில் ஜெயிச்சிருக்காங்க. Who is the one who has not won 4 titles? Juan Manuel Fangio, Alain Prost, Michael Schumacher or Alberto Ascari? Which among the 4 have not won 4 titles? 9486205555. We're going for a short commercial break. See you on the other break. Stay with us on BSNL Sports Quiz. Welcome back to BSNL Sports Quiz. போன வாரம் கேட்கப்பட்ட email contest questions கான பதில்கள் computer pick file ஆக்கி வந்த questions for this week. For last week, first question, name the cricketer who has been banned for 18 months by the BCCI anti-doping tribunal. Pradeep Sangwan was the right answer. Second question which we asked you last week was of course related again to football. The former Manchester United and French striker who has been roped in for the IPL style football tournament to be played in India early next year is Louis Saha. Louis Saha of Manchester United. Later on he played for Everton as well. The third question which we asked you last week, how many runs did Ishant Sharma concede in that wretched over? The correct answer was 30. 30 was the right answer. Right, ipo computer Anjala given us 10. Let's find out who the 5 lakh given us for last week are. First winner is number 233, VL Lakshmi Shriya. Kantimati Radhakrishnan 101. Sahana Shakil 183. 222 Sun BPO and 149 Prema Raman. I'll repeat, 149 Prema Raman, 222 Sun BPO, 183 Sahana Shakil, Kantimati Radhakrishnan number 101 and 233 is Lakshmi VL Lakshmi Shriya. Congratulations, you are the 5 lucky winners for last week. அடுத்த வாரம் name and address மட்டும் website இந்த வாரத்துக்கு அதுக்கு முன் வாரம் ஜெயிச்சங்க name and address already on the website. இந்த வாரத்துக்கான email contest question answers comment dds@vsn.com by Monday night 8 o'clock. First question, who is the only Indian in the Wisden's all-time test 11 announced recently? It can't get easier. இதை விட ஈஸியா கேள்வி கேட்கவே முடியாது. Okay, yeah. Who is the only Indian in the Wisden's all-time test 11 announced recently? Second question, name the IPL franchisee that was terminated by the BCCI today. 120 கோடி நாங்க 170 கோடி நாங்க ஏதோ பெரிய அமௌண்ட் இன்னும் கட்டவே இல்லையா காசு, அதனால BCCI வேணாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி டெர்மினேட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Name the IPL franchise. It doesn't get easier. If at all the first question was easy, this is even easier. My God. Okay, third question. With whom is Rohan Bopanna to reunite as his tennis doubles partner in 2014? Reunite la or periya clue irukku. With whom is Rohan Bopanna going to reunite as his tennis doubles partner in 2014? Answers come in ddsportchennai@vsn.com by Monday night 8 o'clock. Subject la answers போட்டுடுங்க. Name and address should be there at the bottom. Lots of viewers are sending in a separate mail for each question. Please don't send it like that. All the 3 questions get answered in the same mail. Okay, just put it in subject 1, 2 and 3 and then put your name and address in the body of the message. Entries or name and address not be considered withdrawal block. Sending viewers questions, sending viewers feedback, please send it to the same ddsportchennai@vsn.com. and thani anupunga. Contest entry is not open manually. There can be a software program along with ஏற்கனவே தெரியும். Let's go back to the picture board and take the next call. Hello, வணக்கம். Hello, BSNL Sports Quiz. யார் பேசுறீங்க? Hello, யாரு?
நான் நிஷாந்த் பேசுறேன்.
நிஷாந்த் எங்க இருந்து?
நான் சேலம்ல இருந்து.
எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
Photo find 3.
Photo find number 3. Identify the personality in the photo who has been in the news recently. இவர் யார்? And why has he been in the news recently? No idea. No idea? No idea. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSNL Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Background photo. It's not at all difficult. What is everyone doing? Hello, vanakkam.
Hello.
Yeah, who is this?
Sai Vignesh from Sengotai.
Sai Vignesh Sengotai. Your answer kudungama.
Sir, go for the negative image.
Negative image number 9. Who is that?
Sir, it's actor, Tamil actor.
Tamil actor. It may be an actor, but it's certainly not a Tamil actor.
Oh, then Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. In a way, you're very close, but it's not the right answer. Thanks for participating. SMS 5. Yaar jayik poranga. Let's find out now from Narmada, who's the winner of the 5th SMS.
SMS 5 answer Alberto Ascari தவிர்த்து மீதி 3 பேருமே 4 டைட்டில் வின் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. நேரத்துல பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, Alberto Ascari didn't win, but Juan Manuel Fangio, Alain Prost and Michael Schumacher won 4 titles, and Sebastian Vettel will join them once he wins his 4th title either tomorrow at the Bud circuit or during any one of the coming races. Vaigai Vagai from Ramnad 8012420930. Ramnad ஐ சேர்ந்த Vagai, congratulations, you are the winner for the fifth SMS. The correct answer is all except Alberto Ascari, and if Vettel does achieve the feat, he will become the fourth. SMS 6 coming up on your screen now. Bharat Singh Chauhan is the CEO of the TTFI, the Table Tennis Federation of India, B, All India Boxing Association, All India Chess Federation, or Volleyball Federation of India. Bharat Singh Chauhan எந்த அமைப்பின் தலைமை நிர்வாக இயக்குனர்? Okay, 9486206666. Let's go back to the picture board and take the next call. Hello, வணக்கம், BSN Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Sir, Harikrishnan from Thoothukudi, sir.
Harikrishnan, ஒரு ஆன்சர் கொடுங்க. Harikrishnan.
Number 1 இருக்கா சார்?
Number 1 எப்போ போயிடுச்சு Harikrishnan?
ஐயோ சார், கரண்ட் இல்ல சார்.
கரண்ட் இல்லை. நான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? நான் வேணா ஒன்னு இல்லையே உங்களுக்கு. I'll give you a connection point கொடுக்கட்டுமா?
கொடுங்க சார்.
Question number 6 கொடுக்கிறேன்.
Okay.
24th April 2003 South Africa versus Bangladesh cricket test match.
Okay sir.
23rd October 2013 South Africa Pakistan cricket test match. என்ன connection? Question courtesy Alex Paul Anthony from Dindigul.
இல்ல சார்.
திருப்பி சொல்லட்டுமா? இருங்க இருங்க. 24th April 2003ங்க.
Okay sir.
South Africaவும் பங்களாதேஷும் cricket test விளையாடுறாங்க.
Okay sir.
23rd October 2013 இந்த வாரம்.
Okay sir.
South Africa Pakistan cricket test match. என்ன connection?
சார், பங்களாதேஷ் வின் பண்ணதா சார்?
பங்களாதேஷ் வின் பண்ணதா?
Oh, sorry.
இன்னொரு மேட்ச் பாகிஸ்தான் ஆடுறாங்க. இல்லை, I can't give it to you. Thanks for participating. Harikrishnan, அடுத்த கால் ஆரா. வணக்கம். Let's see if anybody is going to get that question. It's actually a cute question. Hello, வணக்கம், BSN Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க?
This is Rajesh from Bangalore.
Rajesh, I want an answer, Rajesh. Come on.
Yeah, you need the picture board.
Yeah, picture board has come. You can open a new question if you want. We have dried up of answers in the last 5 minutes. சொல்லுங்க.
Yeah, 4 connection point.
Okay, what is the connection between the two men, both former great Indian cricketers? Question courtesy Ian Rangaswamy from Chennai.
It's not yet come.
Who are these? One of them is very easy to identify.
It's not yet come.
You're watching on the streaming?
No, I'm watching. Yeah, it has come now.
Okay. Who are these two very famous cricketers? One of them is a absolute sitter. Yeah, come on. The one with the cap is a no-brainer. Come on. Who's that?
Yeah, no
idea.
No clue about this thing.
Okay, let's see if anybody gets that. Okay, it's a very, very again interesting question. Mr. Rangasamy has contributed a beautiful question. Hello, வணக்கம், BSN Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello. Hello, who's this?
Hello.
Yeah, யார் பேசுறீங்கம்மா?
Priya from Chudamide.
பிரியா, ஒரு ஆன்சர் கொடுங்க. டிவி வால்யூம் கம்மி பண்ணிட்டு.
Background picture.
யார் அது?
Shoemaker.
யாரு? Schumacher. No, not the right answer. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த காலர் வணக்கம், BSN Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க?
Hello, Salman from Pernambet.
யார் from Pernambet? Salman. என்ன கேள்வி? ஆன்சர்.
Number 3.
என்ன ஆன்சர்?
Richie Bernard.
Number 3 is certainly not Richie Benaud, though at least country wise you have come close, but it's not the right answer. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த காலர் வணக்கம், BSN Sports Quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello, who's this?
Satish from Chennai.
Satish, என்ன நம்ம பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
3 சொல்லுங்க சார்.
யாரு 3?
7-2-1 சார்.
யாருங்க?
7-2-1.
7-2-1. Okay. I heard it as asking for question number 3. Question number 7-2-1 coming up. யார் இந்த ரெண்டு பேரு? Cricketers.
Doug Braswell.
And?
Doug Braswell and Trent Bolt.
Trent Bolt and Doug Braswell are both incorrect. Thanks for participating. Artha caller, hello, vanakkam. But at least we seem to have narrowed down on the country and we're going in a sequence. Hello, vanakkam. One more caller, we'll take the SMS. Hello, vanakkam. Yeah, who's this?
Yes, sir. This is Rangaraja from Ambernath.
From?
Ambernath, Mumbai.
From Mumbai. Okay. Yes, Mr. Rangaraja. Which number do you want on the picture board?
Yes, sir. I wanted that connection point answer.
Question number 4? Or 6?
Of that South Africa.
Okay. Question number 6. Okay. Go ahead. Tell us the answer.
I think that it is about Graeme Smith who hit double 100 in that Bangladesh test also, and now he has hit a double century.
No, the connection is a very, very interesting other connection. Thanks for participating from Mumbai. SMS 6. Yeah, Jacob Paranga. Let's find out now from Narmada.
SMS 6 answer AIBA இல்ல AICF. இப்போ யாருன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, Bharat Singh Chauhan is the CEO of Bharat Singh Chauhan. ஒரு நேம் பார்த்துட்டு டக்குன்னு பாக்ஸிங் போயிட்டீங்க எல்லாரும். Actually, he is the CEO of the All India Chess Federation. 956662 86182. Harish from Pudal இருக்குமா? Harish from Pudal. இல்ல புழான்னு ஏதாவது இடமா தெரியலையே. Okay, Harish, congratulations, you're the winner for the 6th SMS. The correct answer is Bharat Singh Chauhan, is the CEO of the All India Chess Federation. SMS 7 before we go for a commercial break. The All India Tennis Association recently launched the Road to Dash program in India. Road to Glory, Road to Olympics, Road to Wimbledon, or Road to Davis Cup. 9486207777. We're going for a very short commercial break. See you there. Break. Stay with us on BSNL Sports Quiz. 3G caller, who's this?
Bhaskar from Mumbai.
Bhaskar, which question are you going to answer? Yeah,
Background is Adam Lallana from Southampton.
Background is Adam Lallana from Southampton. That is, of course, the right answer. Very, very simple. I was amazed that it carried on for so long. Adam Lallana is the right answer. Bhaskar, telephone number?
9619
9619
029406.
029406. 200 rupees worth Indian Rupee courtesy BSNL coming the way of Bhaskar from Mumbai. Big next caller. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz. Pera enga?
Ibrahim from Ambur.
Ibrahim Ambur. Endha number picture board la quick ah.
Picture board varla sir.
Vandiruchu ipo seekiram.
Is it negative image Rory McIlroy?
I said it's not a famous golfer. He is an actor and a singer. Who is that? You want to try that, or you want to go for some other question?
I will go with 15 photo fine.
15 photo fine for Ibrahim from Ambur. The man in the photo is racing in motor rallies. What is his claim to fame? He's going to be racing in Chennai, I think, in February 2014.
Sorry, sir.
No idea. Thanks for participating. This is an interesting question. Let's see who gets this. Yes, BSNL Sports Quiz 3G caller. Who's this? உங்க பேர் சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, Prasad from Chennai.
Prasad, which number on the picture board?
Prasad from Chennai.
கேக்குதுமா? Which number on the picture board?
16 photo fine.
Okay, question number 16. The man in the photo was secretary of a state sports association for 24 years. At the age of 89, is actively involved in redrafting its constitution. Identify this veteran sports administrator. Question courtesy Venkatesh Vishwanath from Chennai. Ivar yaru? No idea.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, thanks for participating. Artha caller. Hello, vanakkam. Lots of questions, easy questions.
Navneet from Mylapore.
Navneet, answer Navneet.
Negative image.
Negative, who's that?
I'm going to guess Justin Timberlake.
Justin Timberlake is, of course, the right answer. Again, another question which I don't know why it is carrying on for so long. I think one of the reasons is that a lot of new callers are coming on, enthusiastic, but they still not got the hang of it maybe. But Justin Timberlake is, of course, the right answer. Navneet, telephone number?
2811
2811
2219.
200 rupees worth Indian Rupee card courtesy BSNL. Artha caller. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz. Unga peru enga? Hello? Hello? You're on air. Your name? No, let's disconnect. Let's disconnect and take the next caller. Hello, vanakkam. Hello? Illai, disconnect ஆயிடுச்சு. One more caller. Hello, vanakkam. BSNL Sports Quiz. Unga peru enga?
Prakash from Bangalore.
Prakash, which number on the picture board?
Picture board.
Picture board வந்துருச்சு.
12 video 1.
12 video 1. Question is name the year and the venue. Question is name the year and name the venue. Okay? Very simple question. Video coming up. Yes, sir.
1975 World Cup.
And venue? Venue?
Pakistan.
Venue.
Pakistan, is it?
No, I can't give it to you. Thanks for participating. You're making it easier for somebody else. Artha caller. We have a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello?
Hello, Shekhar from Cochin.
Shekhar from Cochin. Which number on the picture board, sir?
Hello,
எந்த நம்பர் சார் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
Shekhar from Cochin.
கேக்குது சார். எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
Hello, 2 in 1, sir.
2 in 1. யார் அந்த ரெண்டு பேரு? சொல்லுங்க.
Hamish Rutherford.
And
Rutherford.
இன்னொன்னு?
இன்னும்
யார கேக்குறீங்க?
Neil Wagner.
யோசிச்சு சொல்லுங்க
ரூதர்ஃபோர்ட்.
திங்க் குயிக்கா. பின்னாடி யார் பாக்குறாங்களோ அவங்களை செக் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. இல்லை I can't give it to you. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSN Sports quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? We take the SMS after this call. ஹலோ வணக்கம். ஹலோ. Yeah, who's this? என்ன நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல? கிரிக்கெட் கொஸ்டின் அப்படி கொடுக்க முடியாதுமா. நீங்க தான் கேள்வி. 6ஆம் நம்பர் கேள்வி கிரிக்கெட் கொஸ்டின் தான். 19 4 to find. Okay, we won't open any more questions after this. I think we opened the whole lot. Identify the team from the logo. The logo பார்த்துட்டு எந்த டீம்னு சொல்லுங்க. என்ன டீம் இது? Okay, clue வந்து கிரிக்கெட். கிரிக்கெட். எது? எங்கயோ பார்த்த மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஆனா அதுவும் கரெக்ட் தான். Okay, thanks for participating. One more call and we take the SMS. Hello, வணக்கம். BSN Sports quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? We won't open 18. Actually, 14 has been already answered. Okay, hello, வணக்கம்.
தேனி மாவட்டம் மைப்ரபு.
தேனி மாவட்டம் கம்பம்
மைப்ரபு.
மைப்ரபு. எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல? 6. ஆன்சர் என்ன?
ரெண்டுமே சவுத் ஆப்பிரிக்கா நடக்குது.
ரெண்டுமே சவுத் ஆப்பிரிக்கா ஜெயிச்சாங்களா? நடக்குது. இல்லைங்க. Not the right answer. Thanks for participating. SMS 7 யார் ஜெயிக்க போறாங்க? Let's find out now from Narmada House winner with the 7th SMS.
SMS 7 answer road to Wimbledon மட்டும் தான். நீங்க எல்லாத்துக்குமே ரோட் போட்டீங்க. இப்போ நேர்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Road to glory எல்லாமே இருக்கலாங்க. என்னங்க தப்பு இருக்குது? ஆனால் this is a specific program launched by the Wimbledon Foundation and it's called Road to Wimbledon. Arogyam from Pulidivakam 7401457552. வில்லிவாக்கத்தை சேர்ந்த புழுதிவாக்கத்தை சேர்ந்த ஆரோக்கியம். Congratulations, you are the winner for the 7th SMS. This is a program called Road to Wimbledon and the idea is to promote grass court tennis in India. SMS 8 coming up on your screen now. Dash has been elevated as the new president of the IHF recently. Indian Hockey Federation புதிய தலைவராக யார் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறார்கள்? A. Narinder Batra, B. KPS Gill, C. Dinesh Reddy, D. KD Singh. Clean bowl 95620888. Let's go back to the picture board and take the next call. Hello, vanakkam. 3G caller, who's this? Hello. Hello. Yeah, who's this?
Hello.
Yeah, what's your name?
Hello. Sudarshan from Chennai.
Sudarshan, which number on the picture board? Quickly.
Sudarshan from Chennai.
கேக்குதுமா? எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
Sudarshan.
ஐயோ மா ப்ளீஸ் எந்த
6
என்ன ஆன்சர்? What is the answer?
6.
They are not able to hear me on the telephone. Okay. என்ன answer?
Both had a ball tampering incident.
No, not the right answer. Thanks
by
for
South Africa.
No, not the right answer. அடுத்த காலர். வணக்கம். BSN Sports quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Not the answer we were looking for at least. Hello, வணக்கம்.
Video.
யார் உங்க பேரு? லைன் கட் ஆயிடுச்சு. I'm sorry. Frequent disconnections today. அடுத்த காலர். ஹலோ வணக்கம். Hello. Yeah, who's this?
Me Ganeswaran Ariyannur.
என்ன நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்ட்ல?
Picture வரல.
வந்துருச்சுமா சீக்கிரம். 4.3 என்ன ஆன்சர்? பின்னாடில இருந்து யார் ஆன்சர் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க? அவர் பேர் என்ன? பாலாஜி வர சொல்லுங்க போனுக்கு. பாலாஜி சார் இவர் பேர் என்ன?
அவர் நேம் தெரியல சார். இஸ் அவர் நியூ கோச், ஹாக்கி டீம் கோச்.
New hockey team coach Terry Walsh of Australia is the right answer. I am going to give it to you. Good one, Balaji. And fortunately, okay, telephone number Balaji solunga. 04329 249308 and India after a long time has a fabulous combination. Roland, 1 minute. enna Balaji solunga. அது திருப்பி அனுப்பிட்டீங்க. ரீப்ளேஸ்மென்ட் கார்டு உங்களுக்கு விரைவில் வந்து சேரும். Okay, don't worry about it. All those who sent your cards back, don't worry, you'll get the replacement cards very soon. India for the first time in living memory has two top notch coaches for hockey. All the Hockey India, IHF and various other people need to do is just to forget about these two people and just hand over the team to them. Roland Altmans is the high performance director, Terry Walsh as the coach. Fabulous combination and Indian hockey is really going to go places. Okay, அடுத்த கால. ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSN Sports quiz. உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? 3G, who is this? Hello, who's yeah? Sir, யார் பேசுறீங்க?
Sir, Subramaniam from Chennai.
Yes, Mr. Subramaniam, which number on the picture board?
Subramaniam from Chennai.
கேக்குறது சார், என்ன நம்பர் picture boardல?
4.
Question number 4, என்ன ஆன்சர்? சொல்லுங்க சார்.
லெஃப்ட்ல இருக்கவர் விஜய் மர்ச்சன்ட்.
சரி.
ரைட்ல இருக்கவர் முஷ்டாக் அலியா சார்.
இல்லை.
ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து 212 பார்ட்னர்ஷிப்.
இல்லை இல்லை முஷ்டாக் அலி இல்லை, முஷ்டாக் அலி இல்லை, முஷ்டாக் அலி இல்லை. வேற ஏதாவது பேர் சொல்லுங்க.
CK Naidu sir.
இல்லை இல்லை. Thanks for participating, Mr. Subramaniam. Good to have you on the show. அடுத்த காலர் வணக்கம். BSN Sports Quiz.
சக்தி from Ananagar.
சக்தி ஒரு ஆன்சர் கொடுங்க சக்தி ப்ளீஸ்.
அந்த வீடு Kuala-Lumpur 1975.
1975 Kuala Lumpur India Pakistan Hockey World Cup. Question number 12 is the right answer. Good answer Shakti. Telephone number very quickly.
26223825.
The 3826223825. Okay, very good answer. This of course is the last time India won the Hockey World Cup was in Kuala Lumpur at the Merdeka Stadium in 1975. Back to the picture board. Next call. Hello, vanakkam. BSN Sports Quiz unga per enunga? At least 3 more answers. Hello. 14 has already been answered. Hello.
Venkatesh from Erode.
Venkatesh, என்ன number picture boardல?
6.
6. Question number 6. என்ன connection?
அந்த மேட்ச்ல வந்து சவுத் ஆப்பிரிக்காவுக்கு வந்து விளையாட பிளேயர்ஸ் வந்து பங்களாதேஷ் பாகிஸ்தான் ரெண்டு கண்ட்ரீஸ்ல இருந்து ஒரு பிளேயர்ஸ் வந்து
இல்ல good guess but it's not the right answer. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ வணக்கம். hello yeah, who's this?
Ramesh from Thiruvananthapuram.
Ramesh, which number on the picture board? We won't open 18. Choose any of the open questions.
Okay. 2 in 1.
2 in 1. Okay, 2 in 1. Who are the two? Both from the same country. One of the players' names has already come on the show. Who's the other one? எதுங்க? Who's the one at the bottom? Not seen very often in India. Possibly that's the reason why it's a little difficult. Not Neil Wagner, not Neil Brew, not Peter Fulton, not Trent Bolt. Quickly. Illai? Not Corey Anderson. Illai. Not the right answer. No, not the right answer. Thanks for participating. Artha caller. Hello, vanakkam. We have a 3G caller. Who's this? Who's this?
Hi, Balkumar from Pune.
Balkumar from Pune. Good to have you on the show.
Balkumar from Pune.
I can hear you. Which number on the picture board? 6. What is the answer? Answer.
Number 6.
Give us the answer, ma.
They were both played on a neutral venue.
They were both played on the neutral venues. Not the right answer. Lots and
they
lots
were
of
both played on a neutral venue.
Lots and lots of test matches get played these days on neutral venues. One more caller before we take the SMS. Hello, vanakkam. BSN Sports Quiz unga per enunga?
Veerakumar.
Veerakumar, enna number picture board la quick ah? Number 6 enna answer?
Okay,
not the right answer. I'm going to give the answer for question number 6 because it's just dragging on. Everybody is going for it. This is the first time after 10 years that a South African spinner is taking a 5-wicket haul in Test cricket. The last time this happened was in 2003 when Paul Adams took 5 wickets in an innings in the match against Bangladesh. In the last 11 years or 10 and a half years, no South African spin bowler has taken 5 wickets. And then Imran Tahir took 5 wickets in this match recently. SMS 8, yaar jayika poranga? Let's find out now from Narmada who is going to be the winner for the 8th and final SMS for today.
SMS 8 answer KD Singh. இப்ப யாருன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, KD Singh has taken over as the new president of the Indian Hockey Federation. How many of you got that? Most of you do seem to have got that right. VV Srinivasan from Trichy. 9488076261. 9488076261. VV Srinivasan from Trichy. Congratulations. You're the winner for the 8th and final SMS for today. The correct answer is KD Singh. Let's go back to the picture board and take few more callers. Let's see if we can get 3 more answers. We have a 3G caller. Who's this? Hello? Hello? BSN Sports Quiz. Yaranga?
Rajesh from Chennai.
ராஜேஷ் எந்த கேள்வி ஒரு ஆன்சர் கொடுங்க.
Rajesh from Chennai.
கேக்குதுமா? எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்டுல?
Rajesh from Chennai.
கேக்குதுமா? ஓகே, we have an audio issue today. எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்டுல?
18 picture point.
இல்ல, we are not opening new questions. There are too many unopened questions already. 5 கேள்வி unopened இருக்கு. ஏதாவது ஒன்னு opened இருக்கு. ஓபன் क्वेश्चन எடுங்க. எதுமே ஓபன் क्वेश्चन தெரியாதா?
2 in 1.
Okay, 2 in 1 very quickly. Both are same. Okay, both are New Zealand cricketers. Give me the name of another New Zealand cricketer very quickly. ஒருத்தர் எல்லாரும் one person everybody is identified already. யாரு? சீக்கிரம். No, not the right answer. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த காலர். ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSN Sports with உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? ஹலோ.
ஹலோ.
Yeah, who's this?
ஹலோ.
சொல்லுங்க சார், பேர் சொல்லுங்க.
வெங்கடேசன் சார்.
என்ன நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்டுல?
19.
19 என்ன ஆன்சர்?
கென்யா சார்.
Kenya is not the right answer. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த காலர். ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSN Sports with உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello.
This is Surya.
Yeah.
Can I go for 16?
Yes, you can.
Is it T.R. Govindarajan?
Who is he?
He's a football game enthusiast and is a
Secretary of the Tamil Nadu Football Association for 24 years. One of the veteran football administrators of India, T.R. Govindarajan is the right answer. Very good answer, Surya. Telephone number?
9444
9444
82
82
55
55
26.
26. Very, very, very famous personality connected with football. We have a 3G caller and he has been a rock as an administrator for football in Tamil Nadu. Yeah, who's this?
Venkatesh from Hyderabad.
Venkatesh, ஒரு ஆன்சர் கொடுத்துருங்க Venkatesh, please.
Number 7 answer வந்துச்சு.
Number 7 ஆன்சர் வரல. ஒரு பாதி வந்துருச்சு, பாதி வரல.
Yeah, is it BJ Watling?
No, BJ Watling இல்லன்னு சொல்லியாச்சு. வேற ஏதாவது பேர் சொல்லுங்க.
Bruce Martin.
Bruce Martin is also not the right answer. Thanks for participating. அடுத்த கால். ஹலோ வணக்கம். BSN Sports with உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello, I didn't realize this was such a tough one. Hello. I think.
Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Yeah, BSN Sports quiz.
ஆமாங்க, who's this?
This is Raghuram.
Raghuram, which number on the picture board? Quickly.
19.
19. What is the answer?
It's Waka Warriors.
From where are they from?
I'm from Pallavaram.
Not
Chennai.
you. Where are they? Where are the Waka Warriors from?
Australia, Western Australia.
Western Australian Warriors is the right answer. Raghuram from Pallavaram gets it. This is the logo of the Western Australian cricket team in the Australian League. Telephone number, Raghuram.
98415
Okay.
95992.
95992. 200 rupees worth of courtesy BSN. Last 3 callers. Let's see if we can get one more answer. Hello, vanakkam. BSN Sports with உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello.
Hello.
Hi, who's this?
Lalita sir.
Lalita, என்ன நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்டுல?
2 in 1 sir.
யார் இந்த ரெண்டு பேரு?
Rutherford and Mitchell McClellan.
Mitchell? Mitchell McClellan. No, not the right answer. Thanks for participating. I don't know why nobody is getting this one name. Last 2 callers. Hello, vanakkam. BSN Sports with உங்க பேர் என்னங்க? Hello.
Hello sir.
உங்க பேரு?
Sikandar.
எந்த நம்பர் பிக்சர் போர்டுல? குயிக்கா.
Number 7.
நம்பர் 7 யார் இந்த ரெண்டு பேரு? சீக்கிரம். சிக்கந்தர். சொல்லுங்க. 5 4 3 2 1 இல்லை. Thanks for participating. Last caller. We have a 3G caller. Last caller for today. Hello, who's this? Hello.
Yeah, this is Rajesh.
Rajesh, which number on the picture board? Please give us one answer.
Yeah, can I go for that photo point?
Yeah, which one number?
The 18?
No, we are not opening a new question. This is the last caller. Please choose any of the open questions.
Okay, 15.
15. Okay, give us an answer for question number 15.
Can you open that because I did not see that?
Yeah, the man in the photo is racing in motor rallies, but he's got a bigger claim to fame. No idea. No.
Damon Hill's son?
No, not Damon Hill's son. This question will carry over. The 3 questions will carry over on the picture board. Of course, there's one more question, but it's not opened yet. So these 3 questions will carry over for next week, right? Nigachi Pathi Rasipika Namro. We hope you are watching this show this evening. மீண்டும் அடுத்த சனிக்கிழமை இரவு 10 மணி 10 நிமிடத்தில் சந்திப்போம். We'll see you again next Saturday night at 10:10 p.m. on another episode of BSNL Sports Quiz. Until then, have a great week. நன்றி, வணக்கம், bye bye.